Hello guys, welcome to Fifth House Divination. My name's Kirsty and today I'm really excited to be opening this box of cards. I got them over the Christmas period and I've been waiting to open them, but I wanted to film it so that I could sort of upload it just in case someone at some point sees the cards in a reading and wants to have a look and thinks about buying them for themselves. So these are it's the Tarot 3D, and as you can see they are, if you look at the box, they are actually 3D. They're made by a company called Lo Scarabeo, who are a premium Italian brand. They do some really beautiful card sets. I've got a few of their decks. And their information, the little books that come with their cards, it's normally in 3 or 4 different European languages, so English, Italian obviously, French, Spanish, etc. And as I say, the quality of their stuff's normally pretty good, so I do tend to buy their things with confidence. So anyway, these came to my attention because if you've seen some of the content that I put out on my social media channels, there are some reading formats that I do where the majors or the court cards are split out from the main deck. And I saw these and I thought, well, one, that's pretty flipping cool with that and again, I just thought sometimes if I've got a full deck of cards, I don't want to split them. So I just thought it'd be handy just to have the majors. So this is the box. I started filming earlier and then I had to go off and rescue my chicken out of the oven. So I've already taken the cellophane. There was cellophane on the outside of the box. And then also when you get into the box and you pull the cards out, there was also, I've got some cellophane that was actually on these. But yeah, so I had to, my alarm went off and you could sort of hear it on the thing and I had to run off. So anyway, the box is laminated in that sort of 3D effect stuff. So that's the back of the box, that's the Justice card, absolutely beautiful. And then the front is obviously the Magician. And then inside the box we've got the information booklet, which has got, so it's English, Italian, Spanish, French and German. Little info book, and it's good because it gives you some sort of keywords for each of the cards, which is pretty snazzy. Yeah, and then it goes through the different languages. It gives you the same information in the different languages. So that's pretty cool. The cards themselves are slightly bigger than a standard tarot deck. So that's a standard tarot card. Can't really see that, so I'm going to push that up. So that is a standard tarot card. So it is quite a bit bigger, but it's not as big as, for example, the Druidcraft deck that I've got that I use for my own personal readings for me. So yeah, so it's quite a bit bigger. Now the front is the laminated with the 3D on it. And then, that's pretty, that's so cool. And then on the back there is this lovely design there. So that is the full. Let's just go through each of them. And then we've got the Magician that we saw on the front of the box with his pentacles. And then, okay, so next up is the High Priestess. Oh, she's beautiful. If you can see her, got a bit of light going on. Sorry, the light's catching everything. Is she moving much? She doesn't move an awful lot, her. Okay. So, oh, the Empress, isn't she beautiful? Her big Venus symbol. And the Emperor. Oh, he looks a bit like Father Christmas. Pretty cool, actually. Oh, brandishing his ankh or whatever it is he's got. And next to him, that is. Oh, it's some kind of ram's head. Hierophant. The Lovers. Oh, right, okay. Got a bit of nudity on this one, guys, so apologies. Try not to focus on that bit too much. Okay. Oh. And Chariot. That's pretty cool. Strength. Which doesn't actually appear to be. Oh, she's moving a little bit. It seems to be. It's her. Yes, it's her body. I thought we might see the line taking a chomp out of it, but no. Oh well, not to worry. And the Hermit. What are you doing, mate? He's not. And oh, this looks interesting. Oh, look at this, the wheel. Oh, that's nice. I like that. It's number 10. So it's got all the snakes moving. And the Sphinx, what's the Sphinx doing? Okay. There's the Justice card that we saw on the back. That's, the colours on that are really vibrant, really lovely reds and golds, really nice. And the Hanged Man. Focusing on his face. Okay. Oh, cool. It's a death card. Ah, it's pretty. I like that. That's interesting because it sort of mirrors the Hierophant energy. Because the Hierophant sat on his chair. He's got his acolytes. And that's really interesting. That's a really interesting take. Normally you see he's on a horse or something. That is really interesting. I like that. Sorry, what's he doing? Oh, he's moving. He's having a bit of a dance. I really like that card. That is pretty cool actually. He's got a skull. Hang on. You can see it. Okay. And oh, Temperance. Temperance card. Now I love the cards. They are vibrant, they are beautiful, they do stand out, they are, but I think what I guess some of the things that I was hoping they would do. So, for example, with her, I would have loved to see maybe the fluid, the water, sort of going backwards and forwards. That would have been pretty cool. But it's actually... yeah. And I've just noticed, I've taken it away from the camera and held it up to the light, and you can actually see the back there through it a little bit. But they are beautiful. I love the colours, they're so vibrant. Devil card, more nudity, guys, sorry. It's always pretty scary. And obviously the devil card talks about things that we feel that we're chained to. But, oh cool, tower. Well, that's pretty smart. Reminds me a bit of Superman. It's got that blue. Other superheroes are available, obviously. That is pretty cool. Nice. And the star, more nudity, guys. Okay, so I'm not sure now whether I'll be able to use these on the channel or not, because there's a lot more nakedness than I expected in them, to be fair, which doesn't bother, which doesn't offend me. But and tarot is for sort of over 18, so I guess it's not too much of an issue. But yeah, okay. Oh wow. Oh, that is really. Oh my goodness me! Look at that. Ugh. That's quite scary. That moon is beautiful, but the that thing in the water, that's really creepy. It's normally a crustacean of some type, like a crab or something. That is really scary. And I'm sorry, but neither of those look like a friendly puppy either, do they? There's supposed to be like one wolf, one friendly puppy. They both look pretty mean to me, to be fair. I wouldn't want to go down there. That is really horrific. That's really scary. Okay. And the Sun card. Oh, that's pretty. So there's two. So in the in the Rider-Waite, there's one child on a white horse. In the Marseille deck, there's two children playing. There's no horse. So this is, I guess in the artworks, combination of the two. Justice. Sorry, Judgment. It's pretty smart. And then the last card is the World card. As I say, the colours are absolutely beautiful and they are quite vibrant. I would probably have liked to have seen a little bit more of the, I guess, the actions that we sort of see with the tarot, so with the temperance mixing, etc. But no, I think it's a really lovely deck. I will be using them, although there's a bit more nudity in them than I expected. And yeah, I mean, they are a slightly different size. So anyway, if you're thinking of buying it, you found that useful, and I'll speak to you again soon. Thank you. Bye bye.